Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for MAINKIT Club and I have a brand new MAINKIT only layout. And I'm working with the August kits from MAINKIT Club, and these kits are fully packed with exclusives this month. And I really like the design and the cheerful colors and all the cool items that we get in these kits. And you see that I want to work with two black and white pictures. And I start my page by cutting off the edges of my white cardstock so that I can have a background paper. And now I just apply some color splashes in blue and orange and some pink ones. And you see that I already have some fussy cut flowers here on my table. And I really like the floral design of one of the papers, and I did some fussy cutting and cut out all the shapes, and I'm sure that we can create several projects using all these flowers because there are plenty of them. And you see that on the other side I also have the exclusive die cuts here. And now I just cut some circles with a common circle cutter, and I place a smaller one on the bigger one, and then I have a nice display for my pictures. And this will be the center of my layout. Okay, I really like the colorful style of the new kits. And I think that black and white pictures are always a nice contrast when using lots of different colors. And that's what I'm doing here. I have two different colors here in my circles, and then I will add lots of flowers in different colors as well. So all in all, there will be a quite colorful mixture of different shapes. And that's why black and white pictures are just perfect. Okay, so I just want to have two flower clusters here behind my pictures, and I just placed them here and there. And then I can adhere them. And I like building these clusters, and fuzzy cut shapes are perfect for creating big clusters because you can use lots of them. If you have a whole sheet of paper cut apart to different flowers or whatever other pattern you have there, you have tons of embellishments that you can use. And there is also another great paper in floral design contained in the kit with orange flowers only. I guess that I will do some fussy cutting again so that I can create another page using those orange flowers only. And I really think that in this kit we have the possibility to create girly pages like I'm doing right now. And there are also so many cool items like skateboards or stars, and lots of different things that are perfect for boys or boyish pages. And I'm sure that I'm going to use the boyish stuff as well. It's sometimes really hard to get hold of boyish papers or designs that aren't too cute, because if your kid grows older, all the cute animals or other patterns that we find in kids' collections aren't really suitable anymore. So I guess that Kim and Kimberly did such a great job in designing this kit, because you can use it in so many ways. Yeah, you see that I already have my second cluster here, and I guess that this is almost done, but I'm just adding some more flowers here and there, and then I can start to work on my journaling and on my title. Yeah, I really like that we have different flowers here, different shapes, and that's why this becomes such an interesting flower bunch here. And yeah, now I just start to work on my title. I like this shoe, but in the end I don't know where to put it, so it won't stay there. Yeah, my title is gonna be Waiting for Dad. My kids like to stand at the front door, peeking through the window and just waiting for guests to come, or here in this case, for my husband to get home from work. And yeah, I took some pictures here and just want to document this daily routine. So it's kind of a big title, and I love the color of those alphabet stickers. The blue is so pretty, and yeah, I guess that I will use them on each and every project I create with these beautiful kids. Okay, so yeah, this is the title, Waiting for Dad, and yeah, I can't find a perfect place for this shoe, so it has to wait for another project. Okay, so some chipboard stars, and then I also want to have a journaling, of course, but yeah, first I try some additional pieces, but yeah, I think it's fine this way. So it's time for the journaling now. I'm doing a handwritten journaling here, and this is always a quick and easy way to preserve your memories, and it's also kind of personal. I like hand writings, and I think they are really, yeah, that they express your personality, and that's why I almost do a handwritten journaling on every single project I create. Yeah, so you see I worked with the MAINKIT only, and if you also have your ordered the embellishment kit, yeah, you see that the kits offer so much material. Yeah, that's just great. I love if I have lots of different things I can choose from, and yeah, here working with the MAINKIT only already offers so many different beautiful things, and yeah, I really like to dive into the kits. We also have a little bottle of Nouveaus here in the MAINKIT, and those are really cool because you can make your own little shapes and dots, and they are so easy to use. And I just put some here and there, and yeah, then I just have to leave them to dry, and my page is yeah, finished. Just two more flowers here and there, and then this is my result in the end. Well, thank you so much for stopping by today, and yeah, have fun using your kits. See you soon. Bye bye.